Welcome back to Ash's Tutorials. In this guide, I'm going to walk you through how to export your Figma project as a PDF. If you're working on presentations, worksheets, UI mockups, or anything that needs to be shared cleanly, exporting as a PDF is one of the easiest ways to keep your design looking exactly the way you intended. First, go to your Figma homepage. From the Home tab, you can see all your recent files and team projects, and it's the quickest way to get to the file you want to export. Next, find and select the project you want to export as a PDF. Once you click on it, you'll see a quick preview. Click again to open the full editor so you can see your frames, layers, and everything else on the canvas. Once the project is open, select the frames you want to export. You can click on a single frame or hold Shift to select multiple frames if you want them combined into one PDF. Now look over to the right-hand side of the screen and scroll down until you find the Export section. This is where all your output settings are. Click on the Format drop-down and change it to PDF instead of PNG or JPG. PDF is perfect if you want crisp, scalable results for printing or sharing. After switching to PDF, check your export settings. You can choose to export multiple frames and tweak the output depending on your needs. Once everything looks good, click the Export button. Figma will process your file, and after a moment, it will automatically start downloading. When it's done, just head to your Downloads folder and you'll find your exported PDF ready to use, share, or upload. This simple process works with any project in Figma, and once you get used to it, you'll be able to export clean, professional PDFs in just a few seconds.